Hello everybody, it's Frank again with another budget mud truck video. Today we will be getting the Dana 80 we pulled off of the white truck ready to install on the budget mud truck. The white truck was a 2nd gen Ram 3500. The budget mud truck is also a 2nd gen, but Ram 1500. So the actual preparation isn't that much at all. It will mostly be bolting, so this video will be pretty short and mostly consist of cleaning, grinding surface rust, and painting. After hosing it down, you can tell it's in pretty good shape for an axle that's been around for 23 years. Certain parts had been repainted, and you can tell that they resealed the diff cover with way too much sealant, but other than that and some surface rust, it's pretty much perfect. So I busted out the wire wheel and angle grinder and got to work. I'm going to try something new in this video and add in a little Scooby-Doo style musical montage of me grinding the rust off of this axle. So as always, I had issues with my camera, right when I was getting to the best part, which was the painting. I used this rubberized paint I had laying around, which probably isn't the best material to paint it with, but it's free. Unfortunately, that's all the footage I have, so you guys are going to have to wait for a future video to see the finished product. But, as always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.